Trump administration, you will pay a tariff, and in some cases, a rather large one. Other countries have used tariffs against us for decades, and now it's our turn to start using them against those other countries. On average, the European Union, China, Brazil, India, Mexico, and Canada, have you heard of them? And countless other nations charge us tremendously higher tariffs than we charge them. It's very unfair. India charges us auto tariffs higher than 100%. This system is not fair to the United States and never was, and so on April 2nd, I wanted to make it April 1st, but I didn't want to be accused of April Fool's Day. That's not, just one day cost us a lot of money. But we're going to do it in April. I'm a very superstitious person. April 2nd, reciprocal tariffs kick in. And whatever they tariff us, other countries, we will tariff them. Reciprocal, back and forth. Whatever they tax us, we will tax them. If they do non-monetary tariffs to keep us out of their market, then we will do non-monetary barriers to keep them out of our market. There's a lot of that, too. They don't even allow us in their market. We will take in trillions and trillions of dollars and create jobs like we have never seen before. I did it with China, and I did it with others, and the Biden administration couldn't do anything about it because there was so much money they couldn't do anything about it. We have been ripped off for decades by nearly every country on earth, and we will not let that happen any longer.
Namaste friends, welcome to the channel where we break down complex stock market trends in a way that even your local tea vendor can understand. Today we are going to talk about a topic that can shake not just the Indian economy but your investments as well. US tariffs on Indian goods. This could be a do or die situation for the Indian economy. So let's get started. First of all, what are tariffs? Let's understand it using a cricket analogy. Imagine that there is a high voltage match between India and Pakistan. So the Indian best bowler is bowling so well that the Pakistan batsmen are absolutely not able to score any runs. Similarly, tariffs are extra taxes imposed on a country's products, impacting their sales and demand. When America imposed tariffs on Chinese goods, Chinese economy and stock market both took a hit. Now it will be interesting to see the impact on Indian markets. Looking at history, in 2018, Donald Trump imposed heavy tariffs on Chinese goods. There was massive volatility in the stock market globally. So the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and even India's Sensex took a massive hit. Global trade is of course interconnected, so the stock market of all countries have been impacted. Stocks like HDFC Bank and Infosys also dipped despite being blue chip companies due to investor uncertainty. If the US increases tariffs on Indian goods, what will happen? Let's understand. First, let's talk about the sectors that will be impacted. These sectors will include sectors that India primarily exports to the US markets. So sectors such as textile, pharma, IT services, and gems and jewelry will be adversely impacted. If tariffs increase, the profits and stock prices of these companies could be adversely affected. So if your portfolio includes stocks such as Infosys, TCS, or even Trent, then you must brace for impact. Pros and cons of tariffs. Let us now discuss the pros and the cons of tariffs. The pros include Indian manufacturing companies will get an opportunity to focus on the local markets. Policies such as Atmanirbhar Bharat will get a boost. The government of the United States will gain additional tax revenue due to the tariffs that are being imposed. The cons will include the following. Export-oriented companies may see a decline in profits, which is negative for the stock market. Pressure on the Indian rupee may increase, making imported goods more expensive. The risk of deteriorating trade relations between US and India will increase, which is not good for the overall sentiment of the market. If we explain this in cricket terms, this is like a second innings with a huge target. If the Indian economy and companies are in good shape or good form, they can hit a six and balance the impact. But if they are already under pressure, there is a risk of collapse. Tariffs are like a bouncer from the opposing team. You can either hit a six or you can lose your wicket. Market sentiments will decide the outcome. So friends, do you think these tariffs will be a googly for the Indian market or a free hit? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And remember, victory lies beyond fear. Thank you.